Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. But this time guys, this eyeshadow tutorial is indeed a collab. I am collabing with this other YouTuber by the name of Infamous Lovely. You need to check out her channel. Her channel is really good when it comes to lifestyle videos, talking about social issues, vlogging. She has some really cool videos on there. She does a little makeup, a little of everything, and I really love spending time on her channel. And she reached out to me because she loved my makeup and I loved her makeup and all of it. And I love supporting another sister. So we decided to collab and support each other here on YouTube. So guys, please go check out her channel. Infamous Lovely is her name on YouTube. Her name on social media, on Instagram, I might add, is Britney_A_Waters. If you'd like to follow her, this is going to be her Instagram. So please reach out to her. Please follow her. She is a YouTuber just like me, trying to make it through, you know, the YouTube powers. Not only the YouTube powers, but you guys know that it's a little bit challenging to really make it through on YouTube. And she's just like me, just like you guys, my other YouTubers who we're just trying to make it. We're just trying to do great things here on YouTube. And she's definitely the first sister, the first YouTuber who reached out to me to do a collab, and I'm definitely proud to do that. It is definitely indeed a pleasure to do that. And this is the look we are coming up with. She's doing a look using the Berries eyeshadow palette from Profusion Cosmetics, and I just decided to do a look using the Bretman Rock X Colourpop eyeshadow palette. So again, don't forget to check out her channel. Her name is Infamous Lovely on YouTube, and on Instagram it's going to be Britney_A_Waters. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. You gotta subscribe because you are a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to be in the Sophia's mix. Okay. All right, guys. Let me quit goofing around. On to the tutorial.
One
Okay guys, so this is my take on the Bretman Rock X Colourpop Lid Eyeshadow Palette. In this eyeshadow palette, you get 8 colors. And in this eyeshadow palette, I bought this eyeshadow palette on the Colourpop website, by the way, and I paid under $15 for it. I believe it was $12 or $12.99. So I purchased this eyeshadow palette, and I really love buying eyeshadow palettes from YouTubers, from makeup enthusiasts, and Bretman Rock is definitely, I really love following him on social media. He is hilarious. So this palette, like I said, comes in 8 colors. I also have this eyeshadow palette in the other version. I think the other version of this eyeshadow palette is called Wet. So I haven't done an eyeshadow tutorial on this, but you will be seeing an eyeshadow tutorial on the Wet eyeshadow palette pretty soon. So like I said, 8 colors, and I really love the names of the colors he came up with. But my favorite name in this eyeshadow palette is gonna be Oh Whatever. So yes, so this is the eyeshadow palette. You have really good maroon looking colors, reddish looking colors. You get a rose gold color in there, as well as a yellow. And guys, let me tell you, that yellow in that eyeshadow palette called CLEO AMORE, this yellow right here, I want you to see that yellow. This yellow right here is pigmented, okay? It is pigmented. It is pigmented because it's true, yes, I had to go in there several times to apply the yellow on my eye, but the yellow in this eyeshadow palette really performed very well. It did not apply patchy on my eyes. The color applied evenly. It didn't look ridiculous, and you tell me if it looks ridiculous at the end of this tutorial. But from here, from this mirror right here, I'm not seeing a ridiculous yellow on my eyes. Okay, so it looks really cute on my eyes. I really love the way that yellow showed out on my eyes. I will be doing a close-up pretty soon for you guys to see how this yellow looked, but I really love the yellow in this eyeshadow palette. I can't stop saying how much I love it. It is a really pigmented color, and I really like it. Now for the price, you kind of get a smaller, you don't get the regular size. Let me make sure I know what I'm saying. Let's see. Yes, now for the price, the eyeshadow pans are a little smaller. So the eyeshadow pans you're getting in this eyeshadow palette is not the standard size eyeshadow pans. It's a little smaller than the standard size, and I really thought the way I saw this, the eyeshadow in the picture, it really seemed like it would have had the standard size. But no, you don't get the standard size pans. You don't get it in this eyeshadow palette. It is pretty small, and I really liked the fact that it is pretty small. You do not get a mirror of this eyeshadow palette. I'm not really complaining, because this eyeshadow palette only cost me $12–15. I mean, if the eyeshadow palette was $20 or $30 or $40, I would have definitely made a big deal for a mirror. But you get what you pay for. You cannot expect to be paying only $10 to $12 to $15 and expect the world. That's not going to happen. So definitely, you don't get a mirror with it, but I mean, it's not a deal breaker. You still get amazing colors in there. This palette, because of the size, it is very travel friendly, I believe, and I am really loving this eyeshadow palette. Kudos go to you, Bretman and Colourpop, for this fabulous collaboration. Now for some of the colors, I did get a little kickback in it, but I cannot complain. I really cannot complain, guys. I did get a little kickback when I was using the matte colors. The shimmer colors worked perfectly. The pigment was there. The colors didn't come to play in this eyeshadow palette. And if you love the colors red, you love the red colors, you love the maroon colors, yellowish colors, you need to stop sleeping on you, and you need to get this eyeshadow palette. And I'm not only saying that you need to get this eyeshadow palette just because I'm a fan of Bretman Rock, but it is really worth the money. It is really worth the price. Actually, I think it's more than worth the price, and I really love this eyeshadow palette. You will be able to get at least 5 different looks, 5 to 10 different looks from this eyeshadow palette. I just decided to do this look because I know that whenever I get an eyeshadow palette and I try to use the yellow on my eye, the yellow does not turn out right. And this is just one of the few eyeshadow palettes I've ever used where the yellow did not come to play. So definitely I would recommend this eyeshadow palette to anyone who loves colors or eyeshadow colors, or eyeshadow shades in that color range where you have some yellows, maroons, 1 or 2 browns or bronze, whatever you want to call it, and a little gold to play around with. So let me give you guys a close-up. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget that this is a collaboration. This is a collaboration video with Infamous Lovely. Don't forget to go to her channel. When you go to her channel, don't forget to tell her that Madame Sophy here sent you. Please check her out. Please check her sister out. Please check another sophisticated lady out. Okay, if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thank you for taking time out of your day to come look at this video. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate your support here on my channel. Don't forget to drop something nice in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell to be part of the Sophia's Mix. If you're not part of the Sophia's Mix, you have to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you have to be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. We'll be having a giveaway coming up pretty soon. Once I get to 250 subscribers, I'm going to determine who's the winner of the White Peach palette, the Too Faced White Peach palette. That's what I'll be giving away once I get up to 250 subscribers. And basically the person who comments the most in my videos, the person who is very active on my channel, they will be the one who get to win the White Peach palette by Too Faced Cosmetics. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.